shared agent banking system has enabled commercial banks in Uganda to reach far-flung areas efficiently and at lower costs.
There was a latent need of a pent-up demand for financial services in areas where the traditional financial institutions were either having a problem or did not find profitable to serve. As the financial sector regulator, we should focus on providing the broad policy and guidelines governing who can be an agent and what is expected of an agent. And then take those rules and give them to the financial institutions, who then use that as a guide in their recruitment and the placement and management of the agents. Their role in success is, you tell us as the participants in the agent banking ecosystem what it is you'd like to do, where it is you want agent banking to go. We work with you from a risk-based perspective to ensure that you get there, but in a manner that does not introduce systemic or non-systemic risk within the wider financial system.
By 2017, commercial banks altogether had a total of 860 ATM points, serving a population of over 40 million. While this was insufficient to cater for all the customers, it did not make business sense to invest in this expensive platform. The Serbs responded to this need.
At that point in 2017, there were about 800 plus ATMs and 500 and something bank branches. And in comparison and contrast, there were 70,000 unique mobile money agents in the country. So there were 100 times or 100x more mobile money agents than there was bank penetration in the country. Today, because of FSD Uganda's initial grant support and technical assistance, we see around 7,800 bank agents in just less than 3 years since it first went to market.
We cannot continue to open branches each and every trading center. It is a costly affair. The technology cost, operational cost, everything is there. But under this model of agent banking, the number of agents spread across, when you look at Karamoja, customers can operate from TTV, Fort Portal, you name it, wherever it is. We have agents either as direct agent or other banks agent as partner agent for providing the service under the shared banking platform.
The shared platform has opened up opportunities to harness the economies of scale by fostering cohesion amongst the participating banks in a way that customers from the member banks can get served at any of the agent points. Agent banking has opened up opportunities to serve our customers at a lower cost while increasing our coverage and commitment to financially include the previously excluded. The model supplements our existing branch network as well as our digital banking capabilities.
Post Bank, as a government bank, would like to drive digital agenda because we are going to change lives and livelihoods of people through agriculture. You need to reach out to the rural people and also maybe the semi-urban. And with that, the digital platforms really come in handy because one, they're efficient. Two, the brick and mortar cannot be in each and every region of the country. So the agency banking platform gives us an opportunity to reach to the far deep areas, more so where we have most of our farmers and they are able to access the banking services without necessarily being there physically.
There are two major areas of benefit. From a duplication of cost point of view, a shared platform provides one central platform, so they don't have to invest heavily. But also, it enables their customers access services in areas perhaps where they may not have a presence. The second one is banking penetration by itself. Service centers were urban-based, and that means the rural people were not being reached and as such, not enjoying financial services. Today, we have 15.4 million accounts coming from just under 7 million about six years ago. A lot of work has been done.
Besides creating a level playing field, shared agent banking has helped bring financial products and services to a wider and more diversified population, as well as provide choice. Ultimately, this has helped to deepen financial services and accelerate versatile payment ecosystem. The shared agent banking platform had support from several development partners like GIZ and ABI Trust, who saw this as an innovation for the financially underserved and excluded population.
In keeping with the mandate of ABI Finance in enhancing agribusiness lending and agribusiness development, we found it strategic to align ourselves with the matter of financial inclusion. Because the more we have a financially included society, the more the services that we wish to deploy agribusiness lending will reach the intended beneficiaries. So one key success factor that we're very proud of was a quick adoption. The second key success is enhanced financial inclusion. The third success is improved service delivery, where, as I mentioned, as part of financial inclusion, customers or beneficiaries or borrowers are able to do a little bit more than just deposit making. They're able to take loans. They've been able to access services such as insurance. And for us, agricultural insurance remains important.
Our aim is to improve the agro base of the rural economy in selected districts in northern Uganda. And you can't improve the agro base without the use of financial services. It is extremely important that out there in the rural areas, the communities, the people are able to, one, they can reduce the transaction costs, the time taken from whatever activities they are doing to and fro, and also to reduce the risks involved in carrying cash.
SERBs have also proved to be a godsend for the mobile money agents. Most of the agents have rapidly adopted shared agent banking as an additional business, thereby increasing their revenue stream.
I've been in business for close to 3 years now, specifically agency banking. Particularly my business before, prior to agency banking, was mobile money. So it is in the interest of bringing this service closer to the people that I had to look around for agency banking. So because of ABC, agency banking, the platform that has enabled banks to share a single platform, you find like it has helped me get so many clients.
We established agency banking 2 years ago because it had futuristic ideas, in a sense that people used to come and use the clinic. Most of them used to say they can't pay because either the banks are closed or they can't access their money. But now their money is next door.